Work with a very simple exercise. I will put a button here and I will put a text box even on here. So we'll get the text box. Yeah. So I will not name the text box, but the button caption, the appearing text will be changed as click. Oops. Okay. All right. So when I double click on this button, so that is important here. So when I double click on this button, what happen? You will be go to the code window where with the event procedure, you will be looking at the event procedure. Have a look. This is called event procedure. You can go to the design view again. You click on view design. All right. If you want to go to the code view code, uh, you can go to the view code even. Where is it? Okay. So if you double click on this button, even you go to the code, you go design, you go to the design view. So this is, you need to remember, this is design view and this is the coding view. So let's double click on this and go back to the coding window. So there you can't do design now. Even the toolbox, you can see the toolbox tools are deactivated. You cannot use while you're coding, while you're doing the coding, you can't do that. So there are a lot of codings here. So we'll have to look at this event procedure. This is has access modifier called private void, and this is the object name. The object name is the button click, the button one dot click, and these are the argument you have here. So let's discuss the argument later on. So what is so clear in here, it's when you click on the button, what should happen? All right. So what I'm going to do here, when I click on the button, I have a text box. Let's check the name of this text box. Go to the property window. The name of the text box is, should be text box 1, T simple, B capital. That is how it goes. I say text box. Okay, text box 1 tab and dot text. I will say, I'll put my name in here. So I say, oops. So I'll put my name in there. So now what happened? When I go design, right, and press the start button or the F5, you hope you remember the function key F5. When you can do that, you start button to do the same activity, your program will be running here. So what would happen actually? Yeah, a hack of a program is gone. Okay. Okay, let's stop and run. Somewhere wrong on here. Yeah, now let's run this. Yeah, it's here. So it's maximize and coming because I changed the Windows state to maximize in the last exercise. So when I click here, it'll appear my text, my name. So that is something you need to remember. Furthermore, remember these event procedures is really important. Event procedures, code block, start and the ending of this event procedure, even code. A code block will indicate from the open bracket and close bracket. So even the other thing is you need to remember the simple mathematics. X equal y means what happened actually. Oops. X equal y mean actually here something is happening actually. Oops. So y value will be assigned into x. Same thing. The Danushka name will be assigned into the text box. If you want to assign something into an object, first the object name, then the value. So that's, remember, so x equal y mean the value, y value will be assigned to x. So remember that when you're doing that programming.